Yeah? Okay, Lovey can just see the temple over there. Okay. You see it?
Yeah. Just wait until this tree passes.
Yeah, and just wait. And looks like there on that side. Can you see it? I can see the tip of it. Can you see it? Over there.
So, is the Hamilton temple still open?
Yes, it is. But this is the Auckland one.
I like
You're
that
excited?
sound. Yeah, I like that too.
Okay. Hey? Oh, we are here.
We're here?
Yes.
Already?
Yes, we are.
Oh, this is a nice entry.
Yes, it's a nice entry. There's the temple. Baby, look. Are you excited? Lovey, you're right. Oh, our tour is finished. How's it, baby? You right? Smile, mate. What are you sad for? Smile, Lovey.
Can we go get nice?
Smile. Smile.
Look down, you see how the dark colors? That's not only what you can touch.
Come on. Let's go.
Let's go get Mackie. Yeah. 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 Oh, gee, look at that.
Oh, thank you. Oh, hi. Oh. Hi.
I'll take a photo with John. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
How was the temple? Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
You like it? We got more cookies there. Did you like the temple?
Oh, is that the rock?
10 out of 10. Did you like the temple? Yeah, with
At the
Emerson.
ending, I got in trouble because of Johnny and Emerson.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, and yourself?
Where did you come?
Mackie.
Huh?
Mackie.
Over there.